Hello. I had a question today about embedding content on in Sakai using Panopto in this exact occasion, and there's different ways to do it, and depending on where you want to put it, there are different ways, right? So generally speaking, we can put videos into our Sakai websites, classrooms, just about anywhere. Okay, different ways depending on what tool you're going to use. But in this case, she was using the lessons tool. All right, so using the lessons tool, which is what I'll talk about today, is pretty straightforward. So inside of lessons here, one of the first things we need to do, and I've put some other stuff in here so far, and this is my practice site. First, we need to go into Panopto, right? So for most of us in Sakai, you will have made that tool down here. If you don't have that tool down here, then you need to go into Site Info and get the tool, put it in there, and it'll be ready. And I'll actually show you that really quickly. You'll go into Manage Tools, and for us down here, Panopto is one of them. Okay, I already have it in there, but you need to do that and then save. So we need to get into Panopto. If you made it using Panopto, and right now we're recording one in Panopto, so let's say this is the video that I want to put in there. It doesn't matter which one. We go into Share. Inside of Share, it directly takes us right here. Okay, and we can hit Embed, which is what we want to do, and it'll make an iframe for us. So highlight that whole thing, Control C on a desktop, Command C on a Mac, and it's copied to the clipboard. We then go into the lesson, whichever lesson it may be, and this is how you do it using the lessons tool. There's other ways inside of other ones, but that's not what we're talking about today. Inside of here, you'll hit plus wherever you want it. If you want it here, plus there, but we'll make it in a new box down here. You hit plus. Embed content on the page. It's the very second choice. Right here, it says to or add a URL or embed code. We then Control V or Command V, depending on what we're using, and we hit save. And that is all there is to it. It is then on there and ready to rock and roll. You can hit play, and it'll go. So that is basically it. You hit save when you get done, and then it's on there. There's other things you can do in other tools, but that's how you do it in the lessons tool. Enjoy.